Enamorar a un niño vago no es tan fácil como.
Alright, know what I'm saying, man? We finna take this G8 to SAT. We finna bring all this bullshit with us.
Bullshit is crazy.
Last said we was vlogging, so you know I had to put that shit on, you feel me?
Stop playing. Yeah, we about to put all of this, my back bumper, this new QP, the new door, and then the side skirt. I'm gonna put it in the truck. Stuff it in the truck real quick. Go! Say what's up to the vlog.
What's up, y'all?
What's up with you? We're all loaded up now. Hopefully my bumper doesn't fly off. Shout out to my June. Yeah, QP, door, side skirt, and the back bumper. I also have the extra stuff, the interior stuff, the stuff that got crushed. They're right here. Yeah. So we've been on the road. Went to go get some cafe.
Got the buzz down coffee. You feel me? You see the sticker.
You see the sticker?
You see the sticker.
Good old drinks, no cap. But yeah, right now we're about to pull up. About to pull up to the shop to pick up the car. The tow truck's there already, so. Yep. With my dog today the whole day. Sheesh, mobbing.
Yeah.
So we just got here. Car looks crazy. I know I haven't showed you guys the car in a long time. This is what happened. This is the damage. This is what's gonna get fixed. And yeah, tow truck dude is right there. And let's go into the body shop. Just get him the key. Everything's there. Also, I know this car used to be gray. I've been trying to take off the wrap up here, but it's really hard, so I'm just gonna wait until it comes back from the body shop. Get all of this fixed. I had to take the back window out so it doesn't break. But yeah, there she is. It's the angle kit. Car's loaded up. I've been waiting for this moment for a minute now. It's finally happening. So this is going to the shop and getting fixed. I'll get back to you guys when we make it over there. Damn, look. It's creeped. It's too low. It's on there. Right on, bro. And she's gone. So we just made it. Came to drop off the parts. My boys. The car's in here now. My twin Wes is ready.
Nah, we still gotta do he's gonna put some more to line up the front. And then, put the seam sealer and all that good stuff on it.
Yeah.
We gotta roll this shit. This shit's split open right here.
No way.
And then put this back, put the bundle, clean it, send it.
Fast.
Yes, sir. This is, it's easy and shit. So we're gonna knock that one out. After that one, take it over there, do the body work, and then I'm gonna put this one up here.
Nice. What you think about it? Crazy, huh? Oh, the box.
Honestly, it's not that bad.
It's not that bad, huh?
I mean, I thought it was gonna be like, okay, if this was up like this way,
yeah.
because when I did, that shit was not. It didn't want to go because the floor right here was bent.
So it's a new day. I gotta go to the shop and take this part. It's a tail light. I gotta go take it so they could align the quarter panel and the trunk good. But yeah, we're on the way right now. Middle of nowhere, on the way to SAC to drop off this tail light. Shout out to my boys though, they're doing a good job. Watch, I'll show you guys right now. I'm gonna post a video right here.
Good morning. Check it out. So, perfect example right here of these quarter panel situations with the cars. I mean, things aren't cheap, man. You know what I'm saying? So, in this event, it wasn't just the skin, right? We're gonna start from back here, get this as straight as possible, because it just wouldn't have came out right if we would have just done the skin like we normally do. So we cut this whole thing off to try to get this going back. That way the quarter panel sits there good and we can weld it on. So if you guys, all you guys with quarter panels, let me know. Don't get scared of the price. It is a lot of work, but we can get you right.
Like I said, they're doing a good job. It's barely what, the second, third day, something like that, and they already got the car cut up, new quarter panel ready to go back in. Yeah, we're on the way. I'm gonna show you guys the car when we get there. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get my boy to vlog a little bit of the process, so you guys know like what's going on with the car and stuff. So yeah, we're almost there. We're like 30 minutes away. Just got here. And you can see the car right there. Boop. So my boy.
That shit, he tried to do what he could.
Yeah.
He said that he was gonna try to pull it. Para que when he puts that shit right there, that shit actually touches metal.
Like flush.
It's not gap and shit.
Yeah.
The last thing we want to do is fill that up with seam sealer and shit, you know?
Yeah.
But right there, bro. Right back.
Damn, this thing looks crazy.
Are we ahead of schedule?
Yeah, we're way ahead. Color, ¿cómo está? ¿Cómo está?
Bien, gracias. Mucho gusto.
Crazy?
Yeah. Almost there.
Yeah.
Todo lo principal va a quedar como debe de ser.
Okay.
Nomás es aquí este pedacito de lámina.
Okay.
Porque este estaba cortado ahí.
Oh, okay.
Ya no lo traían. O sea, lo cortaron así.
Sí, lo cortaron, okay. Ya, oh, yeah.
Pero va a quedar bien. O sea, prácticamente esto ya nomás es el... Si hubiera estado completo, se quita aquí.
Sí.
Y queda... Pero esto ayuda mucho.
That's crazy. Damn, this shit looks crazy right here. First door? Psych. Was it hella hard to take the door off?
Last kid, he was over there struggling.
Yeah? Oh.
To be honest with you, I think he pulled it, and this one is snapped, and then he just cut a hole out of here to try to get to this.
Oh, okay.
He's like, it's done. They won't open it.
Yeah. So yeah, this is what it's looking like. This is crazy. I don't think a car's supposed to look like this. But yeah, they're doing a good job. It's been like what, 2-3 days? Yeah, look at that. That looks crazy. They was telling me that this panel was cut wrong, but thankfully this was salvageable. So yeah, they're gonna reuse that part and just put this part up here. It's gonna be clean. So there you go. We're getting a little bit more work done on the car, but yeah, I'm really happy with all the progress. He said that this quarter panel might go on there tomorrow. He might start welding it, so that's crazy because it's been like 3 days. So crazy progress. Shout out to the guys. I'm gonna put their Instagram in the description. I might put it right here too. So go follow them. If you need any work done, make sure you tell them I sent you. I'm gonna have my boy film. So yeah. All right, brother. Yeah, it's good. About to leave. Look at this fool. You got your parts?
Yeah. You seen your
Bro, that's meanie.
So did I. It's crazy.
It's crazy, huh?
Your chopped up, dog.
Damn. He said he might have it welded tomorrow. You don't around, bro.
Don't play over here.
Hell no.
So, but you didn't bend no suspension down there?
I changed the whole cradle.
Oh, you changed the whole curve? When I was looking at those, I'm like, damn, ain't bend nothing back here.
Nah, hell no. That whooped. Broke my diff.
Did it?
Yes.
He's so raw though.
Hell yeah. This thing getting a BBL.